Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you'd like to finally face those pains or the issues that you've got stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about you and me work together to help unlock the next big adventure in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get this thing on the road. But first, here's your quote for today. Happy Friday to those who hustle like it's a Monday. Hello Friday, so nice that you can come and join us. Now, while a lot of people will start to plan their chilled Fridays and taking it easy, there'll be those who continue to work themselves hard and keep hustling like it's a Monday. Keep working hard whatever day of the week it is. One day, all that hard work will help every day feel like your next Friday.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.